So, good evening everyone. Today I am going to talk about data analytics in e-commerce, navigating the 2026 landscape. In today's digital world, e-commerce business generate massive amounts of data every second. However, having data alone is not enough. The real challenge is turning the data into the meaningful insight that drive growth and profitability. So, in this presentation, we will explore how data analytics is evolving and what business need to success in 2026. The data deluge. So, e-commerce companies today are surrounded by huge volumes of data coming from platforms like Amazon, TikTok Shop, and the Shopify. So even through business have access to declined customers and sales information. So many still struggle to make sense of it. The situation is often described as being data rich but insight poor. Traditional tools like dashboards or reports are no longer enough because the data is too fast, fragmented, and complex to handle efficiently. So the five forces reshape data. By 2026, five major forces are transforming how e-commerce data is managed. First, there is a massive increase in data from multiple platforms. Second, companies are not focusing on more profitability rather than just growth. Third, new sales channels are emerging and overlapping. Fourth, tools like Amazon Marketing Cloud provide deep customer insights or underused. So finally, artificial intelligence is challenging how data is analyzed, making it faster and more actionable. So profitability over growth. In recent years, business have shifted their focus from just increasing sales to ensure profitable growth. This means companies must connect different types of data such as advertising cost, sales performance, customer behavior, and competition. Without combining all these data sources, it becomes very difficult to understand which products or channels are actually generating profit. So cross-channel challenge. So today, customer behavior is no longer limited to one platform. For example, a customer might see a product on TikTok, but it purchased it on Amazon. So this creates a challenge for business because actions on one platform affect results on another. So therefore, companies must measure performance across all channels together rather than separately to understand the true impact of their marketing efforts. Amazon Marketing Cloud. So Amazon Marketing Cloud is a powerful tool that gives business access to detailed customer level data over several years. So it helps companies understand customer journeys and buying behavior in depth. However, many businesses are not fully using its potential. When used properly, AMC can help with advanced analysis like customer lifetime value and multi-touch attribution, giving companies a strong competitive advantage. So AI in e-commerce analytics. Artificial intelligence is becoming the core of modern data analytics. Earlier, businesses relied on static dashboards and manual reports, which stole time and effort. Now, AI-driven tools can analyze data quickly and provide actionable insights almost instantly. So, this shift allows companies to more simply understanding data to taking immediate action based on it. So, from data to action. So, many companies struggle to turn their data into useful decisions. In fact, a large percentage lack dashboards that actually drive in action. So advanced techniques like cohort analysis, lifetime value modeling, and multiple attribution. It helps business to understand the customer behavior. So these methods allow companies to identify what is working and where importance are needed. So key metrics for success. To succeed in 2026, business must focus on the right metrics. Customer lifetime value helps measure long-term profitability, while retention rates show how well a company keeps its customers. Metrics like profit, return on speed, and revenue per visit help business understand efficiency and all over the performance. Focusing on ensure these sustainable growth. So future strategy. So to prepare for the future, company must organize their data in a structured way and integrate all sources into one system. They should adopt AI tools for faster insights, measure performance across all channels, and fully utilize performance are like Amazon Marketing Cloud. So most importantly, they need to focus on turning insights into real business actions in their revenue. So in this conclusion, the future of e-commerce lies not in the collecting more data, but it uses in smarter companies that can transform data into a clear actionable insights will be the ones of the success. Thank you.